Using Samurai paint, 1 bottle for undercoat, and 1 bottle flat black. Products a description. Spray horizontally and keep your hand steady. Keep spraying till the paint cover all the helmet surface. After done, the first layer of undercoat rest for 30 to 40 minutes, then continue for the second layer. Keep rotating in between spray to allow the paint cover all the helmet surface evenly. Don't be careless like me when I decide to put the helmet over and let the wet paint come in contact with the floor.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Accident happened, but lives go on. Sandpaper away some of the spoiled paint, continue spraying to cover up the shrouded paint. We need at least 2 layers of undercoat and 2 layers of surface coat to protect the helmet surface from UV or crack. Finally, I'm done with the undercoat paint. Wait till the paint dry before applying the surface coat. Will not repeat the surface coat spray as the video will be too long. Let the picture show you the results. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.